I've done it. In my last video, I said that I will never ever buy luxury makeup, and I did it. I couldn't pass this off. This is like a little unboxing and first impression. So I've not actually tried the pieces. This is the new Dior Holiday Collection 2023. And I don't even know how to pronounce like the name of these, but it's actually a makeup clutch as well as some lipstick. If you're looking for this for the holiday season in 2023, then definitely check this out because I've broken my own promise. I told myself I'll never ever get something from like a luxury beauty item, and I've got it because it's just so difficult to resist. Let's get started. It comes in this little tray here. Just take it out. It's so pretty. I think it's so pretty, right? You probably see a lot of this being unboxed, but I think the whole case, I mean, being a bag lover, this is very weighty, and it comes with like CD logo here as well, which you can actually put in like your chain so that you can actually wear it as a bag or a clutch, and it's very substantial. It also has like a Christian Dior thing going on here. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. This is actually the refillable lipstick. I was in Orchard Ion looking through and wanted to just check out, you know, like the new holiday sets. And when I went in, I was like, man, the whole design for this year was just stunning, and I could actually use this as the actual bag as well. That was really the main thing. And there's also a second topper because as a Ion member, if you shop in Orchard Ion and if you're a member, there's actually this really good deal right now. So I could actually save another 90 over points. I think it also I think there was also like a $90 cash back as well. This was also the other case that it came with because I actually spent more than $500 in one single receipt. So they topped it up with an extra eau de parfum as well as some goodies here, as well as some stuff like some like sample perfumes as well. So I thought it was a really good deal, and I've not owned the J'adore perfume. And did you know that the J'adore perfume is the global top 1 ladies perfume this year? Yep. It came in this really nice packaging. Retails for $490 in Singapore, which is a little bit more expensive compared to the US. And I've also got myself like a limited edition eyeshadow palette. It's the 5 colors 543 in Promenade. So this is all limited edition holiday collection only. It doesn't come in any fancy packaging, but I'll just show you the colors. I decided to get something that's a little bit more of a cool tone going on. Not cool tone, warm tone, yeah. So this is a bit more of a warm tone. I've not worn this, but I intend to do some kind of review going on, like a dedicated video to review this. Of the box, really, I mean, for $490, on top of that, the value that you get and you get 4 lipsticks as well. And Dior prices for lipsticks are insane. I mean, if you compare Dior versus Chanel, I just feel, whoa, Dior ones are so expensive. You get like such a nice colorway. This is in the 999 Velvet. It's Roche Dior. Let me use it right now. And I've got some colors going on, but it's fine. Let me layer it. It actually looks a little bit more reddish tone, like red with a bit of blue. So it's such a nice red, and it's such a wearable red for me. There's a bit of a scent as well. So this is not exactly fragrance free. It's in a velvet finish, but I love the color. Just look at the color. It is just bright. It's fantastic. It's just so festive. and love it. Let me show you the rest of the other shades as well. So this is an 849. This is in a really nice coppery color, okay, satin finish. The next one is a little bit more wearable. It's in 772 in classic matte. So a bit more wearable. And this is in 458 in satin. Super wearable colors. So the reason why I've also decided to get it is also because it's super wearable shades, and I just love that you can easily take this out, and then it comes with like the cute case here. Oh, the refillable case actually comes with like a lid inside. So it just presses like that. And here it goes. This is like the cute packaging. So what people like about this case, right, is, let's say if you're a bag lover, right, and you want to buy this clutch for the bag itself, this whole piece right here, can remove it. I can actually put in my eyeshadows if I wanted to, and I've got like a little mini so I've also got like a little card holder here, so I could put in my card holder. I still can put in some keys and all, and I could just, and I've tried also using an iPhone 14 Pro Max. It doesn't fit a Pro Max, but I believe it does fit an iPhone Pro, not the big iPhones. So this actually opens and fits perfectly. Let me see what else I can put in here. You can fit a little bit more lipsticks if I wanted to. Not that I bring all my lipsticks out, but if you know what I mean, it actually can fit quite a bit. This case comes with a chain, and what I like about this chain is that I could actually, it's super substantial. It just reminds me of the chains that they use on Lady Dior, like the mini Dior, and it comes with like all these little strips here. It doesn't say Christian Dior on the edges, so hook it just like that on it, just like that. And this is how it looks like, and I'm going to model it how the bag looks crossbody, and I'm 5'6" to 7. And if you want to do it just in a sling that, this is how it looks like. You can't wear it like that. You can't shorten the chain. Not that I have done it, but if you've got like a separate kind of chain, I'm sure that you can actually wear it like that. I think it looks quite cute. You can actually purchase it in Shopee or like Amazon, and you can get like a loose chain, because the hook that you need, as long as it's thin enough and it just looks very similar to this, I'm sure you'll be able to hook it, like use a thinner gold chain at the side. So there's limitations to this bag. This is a crossbody bag, or even like a side sling, or you can just use it as a clutch, and it just looks like that. It's really pretty. Yeah, so I love this. Hopefully this is my last one, hopefully. And I think the only way to stop me from shopping is really just stop me from going to any malls in Singapore, which is really hard, right? First of all, I'm a bag lover. This is a wearable, like it's a usable piece. And secondly, it comes with really nice shades that are also wearable. So someone in there probably is just super sensible to know what pieces to collate and put into a bag, and it's just super good. I have come to the end of my chit-chatting, sharing session, and how I've actually broke my own promise or my rule, and it's just super tempting. And especially during like the holidays, definitely get things when there's some deals, right? I mean, it's just, I know that spending, and with all these like unboxings going on, it's like, whoa, you know, we're just spending so frivolously. Don't. Be conscious and be wise of where you're spending your money to, especially in today's economy. And Let me know if you want me to do a dedicated video to review more about this eyeshadow that I've recently acquired, as well as more of these colors here. So I will see you in my next one. Bye!